Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn how to open files in Fusion 360, whether they are saved in cloud or on your computer. To open a file in Fusion 360, go to the top left corner, click on File and select Open. This will open the Open File dialog box, where you can see all your saved projects in Fusion 360. These are stored in cloud, allowing you to access them from anywhere. Let's open a project from the Fusion 360 folder. Simply click on the file you want and press Open. Just like that, the project opens, ready for editing. Now let's open another file from Data Panel. Click on Data Panel, and here you will see all the projects which you have saved. And from here, Autodesk Fusion 360, you can choose any project and you can open a file. When you double click, the file will be opened. Okay, this is the another way of opening a file. When we open a new file, Fusion 360 activates the latest project by default. So this new file becomes the activate one. If you want to close a file, simply click on Close button at the top of the File tab. This will remove the projects from your workspace. But don't worry, it remains saved in the cloud. Now if you want to have a file stored on your computer, click File, Open. In the Open dialog box, look at the bottom left corner, click Open from Computer. Now select the file you want to open and click Upload. The project will start uploading, and once completed, it will open in Fusion 360 just like any cloud file. Okay, and that's how you open files in Fusion 360. Now you can easily access your saved projects and even open files directly from your computer. Thank you.